Lilisa!
Yay! Today we're going to have a super fun BLUEY drawing episode!
That's right! Today, I'm going to stay up all night and not go to sleep!
Oh no, that's not a good idea.
Oh, well, maybe we can play with the kids for a bit. They'll probably fall asleep quickly.
Dad, can I play on the bed?
Okay, Bingo.
Oh, I think she could jump on the bed all night without sleeping.
Bingo, how about we play a hide-and-seek under the blanket game?
Yay! That sounds fun!
All right, let's cover up and play hide-and-seek. Remember, stay very still, Bingo.
I win! Nobody found me!
Oh no, she's even more awake than we are.
Mom, why do we need to sleep?
It's part of life's routine, sweetie.
Mom, then I'm going to change my routine!
Oh? How are you going to change it?
I'll play all day and all night too! Yay! Stay up all night, play all night!
Oh, that sounds pretty tiring, doesn't it?
No way! I won't get tired!
So, what do you want to play now? How about reading a book?
Okay! I also want to build puzzles, run around, and jump on the bed!
I have another idea. Mom and I will dress up as characters in a story.
Yay! I love playing dress up the most! Wow! Really?
Then let's quickly dress up as some characters and go to sleep, okay?
Yes! I want to dress up as a beautiful princess!
Let's do Snow White. I'll be the king.
And I'll be Snow White!
Then I'll be the evil queen. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the prettiest of them all?
Not you, Queen! Snow White is the prettiest!
Oh no! I hate Snow White. I must banish her forever.
I need to find the 7 dwarfs for help! Oh, Bingo! You are the 7 dwarfs! You have to say, "Welcome to our home, Snow White!" But I'm just one of them. Mom, can I invite 6 friends over to play?
Oh no, we might have to stay up all night playing with them.
Oh, Snow White, who are you? I'm a beautiful princess. I'm hiding from the evil queen. Snow White, do you want to play jumping on the bed? Sure, let's play together.
This is so fun!
I don't want to stop either.
All right, it's time for Snow White to eat the apple and go to sleep. Mirror, mirror, where is Snow White?
Oh, Snow White is jumping on the bed with the 7 dwarfs. No, we will never eat the apple, and we'll play forever.
Today we're going to have a really fun BLUEY drawing episode!
Yay! Our whole family is going to the swimming pool, so keep watching.
Wow! Then I'll start by drawing Bingo first. Very soon, she will open her eyes and start talking to us.
Oh my, it's so hot today. I feel very hot and a little tired.
Don't worry, I've brought a cool solution.
Oh, thank you, Bandit. This ice cream looks so delicious.
Eating ice cream on a hot day like this is the best.
Oh, Bandit! I think the ice cream is melting!
Oh no, we haven't even taken a bite yet.
Maybe it's just too hot today. We need to find a cooler solution.
Oh, everyone looks very hot. Don't worry, I've invented an amazing weather control machine. Just press a button on this remote and the weather will become cool instantly.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Let me try.
Oh no! Mommy! It's getting so hot!
I feel even hotter than before. Maybe I'll lose some weight during this heat wave.
Oh, I'm so sorry. It looks like I pressed the wrong button. Let me see. Ah, here it is. I'll press the cool wind button now.
Oh, that's wonderful! The weather is so cool now!
So cool.
Oh, this weather is very comfortable. I don't want to lose any weight at all.
Mommy, I have an idea! Can we play a weather forecast game?
Of course, Bluey. That's a wonderful idea. Being a weather forecast host sounds like a lot of fun. But if Bluey is the weather host, who will control the machine? Bingo, would you like to control the machine?
Yes, please.
All right, Bingo. I will show you how to use this remote. Look at this remote. It has many different buttons. First, when I say sunny weather, you press the button with the sun on it. Next, when I say cool weather, you press the button with the wind symbol. Finally, when I say cold weather, you press the button with the snowflake symbol. Okay, Bingo?
Okay.
Oh, I think today's weather is quite complicated. We should watch the weather forecast.
Hello, everyone. Today, Bluey will be your weather forecast host. Bingo, let's begin.
Okay.
First, in the morning, it will be very sunny, and we can go swimming right after we wake up. Bingo, why haven't you pressed the button yet? Bingo, please press it quickly. Next, at noon, the weather will be very cool.
Wow!
That's right! You did a great job, Bingo! Finally, in the evening, the weather will be very cold.
Oh, I think this is the most accurate weather forecast show ever.
And now, MC Bluey will give the weather forecast for the next few days. Next is sunny weather, rainy weather, windy weather, snowy weather, windy weather, rainy weather, snowy weather.
Oh my! This is the worst weather forecast show I've ever seen!